Step 23 says to finish off the camera's body by adding a dummy brand, text lines, and the dial indicator using 3 to 8 pixel tall rectangles. So basically we're going to add this right here. And the way we're going to do that is again using our strategy of making our spacers with our rectangle tool. We will space out this edge and we'll create 3 rectangles, 8 pixel tall rectangles, which we can adjust here. Go ahead and zoom in on this photo. So from the looks of it, we're basically just making a dummy brand with some rectangles. So I don't see the third rectangle anywhere, but we'll just go with this. So we'll just option drag this and stretch the left anchor point. And then what we'll do is instead of moving the anchor points, we'll actually get our shear tool, hold Alt or Option and choose the bottom left corner. And we'll go ahead and let's say we want to shear 10%. That's a little too low. We'll go ahead, let's try 30. And we'll go actually a little bit more. Let's try 35. That looks good to me. So we sheared it 35 degrees. But this anchor point we can bring to this, and this anchor point we can bring out to the guide. And that way we get that effect right there. And so that's it for that step, just making a dummy brand. Now this guy did put a triangle in the middle here. And I'll just align it to this key object centered and kind of make it like 1 or 2 pixels away, since I'm seeing that there. And I think we'll call it quits on step 23. So that takes care of the camera. Now it's time to make the tripod head. So we'll go ahead and follow the same technique we've been using. It's just adding spacers with rectangles. So we'll go ahead and unlock everything. And let's go ahead and lock all the background shapes. Well, this is already locked. So we'll get our rectangle tool and make one that is 240 by 28. And position that center to this shape, I guess. Align to key object. Go ahead and align it to the edge. Make sure it's this